Look at that.
You watching the master at work, man. You niggas know what it
Got the
is.
beat playing in the back, the media.
Yeah. Let's go, man. Spaz Mac, man. I'm in this bitch, man. Let's get the swag up, man. Get it one time, man. Hey. Hey, yo. Hey. Hey, yo, you looking at a dawn in the flesh. The bad thing about it, I'm worse than Saddam in the vest. I'm getting 2 Jesus palms on my chest to make sure it with me, cause you won't see a dawn in the vest. I feel calm when I'm armed, them firearms in the vet. As I'm calm cause I'm armed, no dawns get respect. Disrespect, and I will be on your lawn with the tech. Hella on with my set to put a bomb on your deck. Or you can come out and fight, I put my arms around your neck. Choke you to death in the scuffle, now I'm dawn is set. How was it that I'm the bomb and the best? Is it cause I'm focused on what I'm doing? Stay calm when I'm stressed. Just know that I'm a dawn to the death. And I ain't talking titty fucking when I mention hitting your moms in the chest, nigga. I'm a gangster, already told you that. Spaz Mac, the gat, don't make me show you that.